In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your year with Asana. This is a powerful tool that can help you organize and achieve your goals throughout the year, whether they involve work, personal development, finances, or health. The entire process is straightforward and you'll find it both practical and easy to implement. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website, which you can find by visiting www.asana.com. Once there, if you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, don't worry, just click on Get Started or Try for Free to create an account. This will give you access to all the features we'll be covering today. Once you're logged in, the first step is to create a project that will serve as your annual blueprint. You might want to title it something straightforward yet meaningful, like 2025 yearly plan or annual goals. This will be the central hub where you'll organize and track your yearly objectives. Next, you can start categorizing your goals. Asana allows you to use sections or custom fields to help with this. Consider creating categories for different aspects of your life, such as work, personal, financial, or health. This categorization helps in maintaining clarity and focus as you navigate through the year. With your categories in place, it's time to break down each goal into actionable tasks. This is an essential step because having smaller, manageable tasks makes your larger goals feel more attainable and less overwhelming. For example, if you have a financial goal, specific tasks might include saving a certain amount each month or budgeting weekly. Once your tasks are listed, it's crucial to plan your quarterly and monthly milestones. This kind of time-based planning ensures that you're making steady progress throughout the year. Using Asana's features, you can outline these milestones clearly within your project. To further organize your tasks, use subtasks to break down big goals into quarterly and monthly objectives. By doing this, you're effectively creating a roadmap for achieving your larger goals, broken down into manageable steps. This makes it easier to track progress and adjust your plans as necessary. Finally, make sure to set due dates for each task and assign them to specific months or quarters. This will help keep you on track and provide a timeline for when each task should be completed. Assigning due dates allows Asana to prompt reminders and alerts, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. By following these steps, planning your year in Asana becomes a comprehensive and coherent process. With your organized plan in hand, you're set to tackle your yearly goals with confidence and clarity. Thank you for watching, and here's to a productive and successful year ahead.